Hey guys, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and check this out. Look, get it? If you're tall, you get it. This is an extra large in Milwaukee's new M12 heated access layering system with the GRIDIRON Workshell. It's also available in a raincoat. Again, this is an extra large. It's model number 255B. The arms are the right length. And this is an extra large. Normally I'm buying a 2X just so I can get a little bit longer arms. This is crazy. Even the length of this coat, it's perfect. Everything in this, perfect. The sizing is great. I don't know if Milwaukee changed all their jackets, added a couple inches. I don't know if you have that problem with some of the Milwaukee jackets. Leave that comment below. I'd like to hear it, but I know myself, Jeff, and a few other guys who are taller all sit here and say, we need more length in the arms. This jacket has it. Now, this is a system very similar to the hunting jacket that they put out a while ago that had a vest underneath it. That vest is what has all the heating elements. Then you had a jacket that was pretty much normal that you could put underneath it, or over top of it, excuse me, and it was meant to be there. This is the same. So you have a little finger hole here so you can get at your controls for the heating. Everything zips together. You can see this red zipper here is part of the system. So if I unzip it, I could take this off completely together, but I think you guys want to see it come apart. Also, there are some tabs in here to grab onto the sleeves. So the heated portion, hopefully I'm not messing with my mic too bad. The heated portion is what I'm wearing now. This is the Workshell. It's nice, it's not too stiff. That's one of the things when the GRIDIRON first came out. I think you could take the jacket and stood it up here and it would just stay. This one's nice and soft, easy to move around with. This Axis jacket has been out for a little bit. I think their new thing is pairing them together. So this jacket itself, if you were to just wear it, feels slightly short, not much, but compared to putting that on, it is. Arm length is pretty good. It's a little bit shorter than the overcoat, which it's gonna have to be, right? But you have your controls here, just like before. You have red, push it again, it goes to, or I turned it off. You should have red, white, and blue, and then you have dual zone. So this guy heats up pretty fast, and you can run this dual zone in different areas. Now what's changed, that used to be a hand warmer setting. So you could put your hands in here, stay pretty warm. We're gonna check out with the thermal imaging camera where that dual zone turns on. I've been messing with this with the Runtime. It comes with a CP 2.0 amp hour battery. On low, I'm getting 4 hours with both pushed. Now Milwaukee says you can get up to 8 hours on that, and you can if you only push one. I'm getting closer to 6.5, but that's all gonna be on your body. I'm not wearing it, so I'm making that heating element work all the time to do those testing numbers. So your numbers are gonna change depending on how warm or how cold you are. On high, I'm getting about an hour and a half. On medium, I'm getting somewhere in the 2 3/4 hour range. Still great numbers. You have a lot of options for batteries, including moving up to an M18 if you wanted to put something really large back here. I think it was 3 or 4 years ago, we came up with the system and said, hey, here's how you change this jacket from an M12 to an M18. The video's out there. Oh my God, it's horrible, but you can find it. It's a very simple thing. We were using at that point in time, 1.5 amp hours, but my God, now with the battery technology, you could throw in a lot of their new smaller batteries and not have this like round thing back here. It'd be a little bit bigger, but it would be flat and square. So this jacket, if you're gonna charge it, comes with a USB cable to charge. It doesn't come with any of the M12 chargers anymore, but you are able to use this battery pack back here to run a cable from it and charge your phone. So that USB is obviously 5 volts, 2.1 amps, and you can run the cable up into the jacket, into pockets. There's different ways you can run your cabling around if you'd want to. That's pretty cool. What we need to do is get into getting inside this and looking at the thermal images, see how warm it gets, where it gets warm, and go from there. So this jacket is currently off, and we are just going to put on the normal heat. On M12, you can see some of the warm areas of the jacket, and they are not real warm. That's from me wearing it, right? There is a heating element. You can obviously see how that heating element looks differently as compared to just something that's probably a heating element now too. It was just a section that was warm before. So the normal jacket temperature, about 66 degrees. Currently that heating element, 87. Hard to hold this still, sorry. So I have the sleeves up top kind of hanging out. Hard to see where those sleeves are in here. I think they're up there. But it's getting warm quick. 87. Look at that. 97. 88. Okay, let's turn on the other heater. This is going to put our dual zone on. Let's look for that next area to get warm. Meanwhile, that's getting nice and toasty. What's this? So that's another area up by your neck that's getting warm. Right there and up in here. The other area right back here and here on this jacket. Right around the collar. So these extra areas are on each side of the collar for the dual zone, which is a great place for them because it's kind of around your neck, a great place to help warm you up. But it seems like they took out the hand warmers, which would make sense on this dual layer because you don't have a place to really get your hands in there, although on the other jackets they had a place that was kind of a pass-through. All right, so let's look at this jacket a little bit. Obviously, I said we have an XL here. This is the inner liner of the jacket. This is all nice, smooth, easy to take on and off. Nothing grips anything, so your sleeves don't pull out. Everything here is awesome. You have a tab on the bottom that you can tighten the bottom of the jacket up on if you wanted to. This has been almost perfect for me, and again, like I said, sizing has been great. Other than that, the outside looks nice. You do have zippered pockets. The lanyards here have a strand in them that is a reflective strand, so makes it easier to see at night. They do stick out. I was walking in from hunting the other day and you could see it. The back pouch here comes out sideways. This is your battery pack in your controller. This comes right out. You can see in the bottom you have a place to charge it. You have a light to tell you what's going on. You do have a fuel gauge inside to tell you what's happening, and your USB port is here. If you wanted to plug in your cord for your phone, you could simply run that right through the holes in this jacket, put it where you wanted to, and get to a pocket so you could carry your phone inside the jacket. Controls for everything, same place up top. Very comfortable, not a huge high collar on this one, and you really don't want it to be because you want to have the Workshell the jacket that's going to have it. Now let's just put this right over top. This is the GRIDIRON Workshell. And you can see here you have an access to get to the back battery compartment through this. You also have a finger access to turn the jacket on and off, which would be easy to use. If you're changing temperatures and messing with it, it's hard to see. I mean, you can't see it. So that's a little bit awkward, but you have large pockets, other pockets up top if you wanted pencils or anything else in them. Here on the inside, everything is the same. If you were to wear this jacket itself, everything is nice, slides on easy, slides off easy, won't catch on your sweatshirt. You have adjustable straps that are on your sleeves along with a tab so you can hook up to the other jacket so that you don't pull the sleeve out when you're working on it. This, or when you're taking the jacket off. The red zipper that you see here is the zipper that you would use to zip in the heated jacket portion. The black zipper is the zipper that you would use for just wearing this jacket. They don't mess with each other, and I guess if you really wanted to use the red zipper, you probably could. It's never felt right, so the red zipper, when you put this on, is kind of hidden except for on your left-hand side. It doesn't get in the way. It's a different length. This kind of just gets right out of the way, and you don't even notice that it's there, in all honesty. The hood on it, nice. You got your ties at the end if you want to tie the hood up a little bit tighter. Back of the jacket, again, still all the ripstop material. You have areas so that you have extra material so you can move more. You have extra material under your arms so you have more flexibility. All in all, this rocks. Yeah, I'm probably a little bit excited because I have a jacket that fits right, that's the right length, that the arms are correct, and everything fits well. I like it. It's not huge. A lot of my Milwaukee jackets that I had would be very large. They'd be sticking out. I felt like I could probably stuff another person inside of them. This is the right size, the right length. It goes down far enough and back, sleeves long enough. I love it. I think if you're my size, I'm 6'4", you know, I mean, it's just, it works. If you're a taller guy and you had trouble with some of the Milwaukee jackets in the past for sleeve length, check out this new Axis layering system. This GRIDIRON work cover it's nice. It's something that you could wear not only for work, but also if you're just going out somewhere. It's not like dressy, but you can wear it other places. It's very comfortable. It's, for hunting wise, it's a little loud. I wouldn't want to wear this out hunting, but this bottom jacket underneath, you can put anything you want over top. You could put a hoodie over top of this. You could put anything as far as hunting. So this is a game changer when it comes to what you can use this for. And I've said it with the vest before, all that stuff. And the vest is still awesome because the vest came with the hunting camo version jacket that I have that was called Quiet Core or something like that. That rocked because you can put that vest on underneath anything, even a sweatshirt. It didn't matter what you were wearing on the outside. More hunting gear, more expensive, quiet hunting gear, and that vest helped to keep you warm. This jacket, same thing. It's small enough to fit underneath anything. It's going to be quiet enough once you put something quiet over it for hunting, or you can simply wear this, put a sweatshirt on. You could wear it alone and walk around. It looks very nice just all by itself as a jacket. Even without the heated gear in the back, you could simply just wear it around, charge your phone, do whatever you want. I'm thrilled because it fits. It's always been one of the things with Milwaukee that I've thought their jackets absolutely rock. They're great quality, but their sizing has been a little bit off. I think they nailed the sizing this time. I think it's great. I need your comments below. Let me know what you think. Sorry if I kind of went off in a little bit of tangents on here. I am super excited about this jacket and the fact that it fits. I think I've said that 1,000 times. Guys, thanks for all your support. Give us a like in this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.